Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we were making a round photo collage frame in Canva. It's fast and easy. Okay, let's get started. First, just add a black circle to your Canva workspace. Change the color to black, like this, and then adjust the size. Maybe like this. And then duplicate it and make the second one smaller. Change it to white color. Like this, and center both horizontally and vertically like this. Next, add white lines. After that, duplicate it and rotate copies to create a equal sections. So it will divide the circles like this. Like this. And then download the designs into JPG. Then just go to convertio.co. Upload your file. And then convert to SVG. And then just click convert. And then just download it. After that, go to Figma Web. Import the SVG files. And then just click or drag like this. After that, keep only the group of circle sections by drag this group tab over here, like this. And then just delete the original one, like this. And then go to fill, this one. And then change it to image, like this. After that, just download it as PDF. After that, just go back to your Canva. Load your PDF. And then just click it and delete. And then just add your photo to the frame. And then just add your photo to all sections in the frames like this. And that's it, a custom round photo collage frame ready for your projects. Okay, if you found this helpful, give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.